I really struggled with this one in starting this one. The pole dancing is usually associated with strippers and money and provocative stuff. It was about empowerment, and feeling beautiful, just getting out of the house and doing something to feel stronger in a bunch of different ways. Hey, it's Nay, and today I'm gonna be trying pole dancing. It's not what you think. Let me just show you. I found this studio called Upward Dance Studio on Facebook. They just opened up here in my location in New Mexico by a woman named Amanda. She is about women empowerment, and they look beautiful. It looks gorgeous. I've been wanting to do this for a long time, and I finally worked myself up to do it. So keep watching if you want to see how it turned out. Check out the Facebook Upward Studio Facebook page. I'll link it in the description below, and you can book your own classes if you're in the area. Also, check out my other videos from cooking, gaming. I just streamed my first stream on Facebook, so I'll link that too. And check out my other content to see what else I try on Nay Tries Things. Yeah, let's see how this goes.
they ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
I did it, and I sucked because I can't work out. And well, I sucked because I haven't worked out. I don't have any really upper body strength. I'm wearing tights, and she was explaining that I needed to wear shorts because the skin gripping onto the pole was what needed to happen, and it didn't happen. I was sliding and dropping a lot. I sucked, and that was disappointing, but she explained that one, she was doing it for 14 years, 15 years, and she does a bunch of other workouts too. She does strength and conditioning, and she doesn't just do pole dancing. So if I want to continue to do this, which I'm still deciding, I'm gonna need to work out a lot and prepare my body in other ways, I guess. But hey, that's what we're here for. This is May Tries, right? Don't forget to be free, open-minded, and free-spirited in everything that you do. And if you want to be my friend, subscribe and hit the notification bell. If you like the music, check out Koji Productions. If you want to follow me on my Instagram or my socials, it'll be on the screen somewhere below. Thanks for watching me look a fool today. I appreciate it. Make sure you come back for the next video. Bye, friends! You getting some? I think it's a good background for this because I really struggled with this one and starting this.